Hello दोस्तों, welcome to our channel Be a Programmer में. So now you have came to this video. Stop here and wait, because in this particular video we'll be talking about two particular roles of Accenture that has been announced for bulk hiring, and it has been announced for 19, 20, 21, 22 ये सारे batches के लिए it has been announced, and it has also been announced for the ASE Software Engineer that is for 2022 batch. So everything we'll be talking about सारे कई ढेर सारे like there are many degrees that are eligible. So we'll be talking about everything, and we will be also giving you resources for study, how to prepare for these PDFs. We'll be giving everything, we'll be giving to you. Just you need to see this video, and we'll be also talking about the process, how this particular hiring will be on, how it will start, what are the things, what are the steps. So you have to see this video to continue, and how to get shortlisted fastly. ठीक है, वो सारी चीजों के बारे में भी बात करने वाले हैं. So you need to wait and start. Let's start the video. Please इसी बात पे प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, नीचे कमेंट कर देना, डेफिनेटली काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा. एंड विल बी लाइक हमें सपोर्ट मिलेगा, मोटिवेशन मिलेगी इफ़ यू कमेंट डाउन एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो. शेयर जरूर करना दोस्तों के साथ. हो सकता है कोई ना कोई एलिजिबल, हो सकता है कोई ना कोई जल्दी अप्लाई कर दे. स्टार्ट करते हैं, चलते हैं, दिखाते हैं आपको. So as you can see on the screen, there are two roles. So first one is the ASE Software Engineer role, and the second one is the System and Application Service ASE. ठीक है, the two roles, and the location is pan India. There are many locations. That is, there are not only one location. Wherever the Accenture office is there, all the locations are there pan India, and that profile is also very good, and the package is good. That is, if you are going for ASE Software Engineer, the package is 4.5 LPA, and experience, that is, freshers can apply up to 11 months of experience can apply. Next thing, for similarly for this one, System Application Service Associate, 3.33 package is there. That is 3.33 package is there, and 0 to 11 months of experience can apply. Freshers can apply. Last date is not mentioned. I have made a video previously also for this particular hiring only, and at that time many people got exam notification, many people got their interviews. But if you are seeing this video first time, just try to apply, because it has been like 1 month or 1.5 months if you haven't applied. I posted that video 1.5 months ago or 2 months ago. Okay, so the very first thing, what are the important parts? If we are talking about the ASE Software Engineer ASE, the important parts are eligibility. The very first thing, you just need to read out this thing, and here only eligibility is there. That is, as I've told you in the starting of the video only, that only 2022 batches are eligible for ASE Software Engineer role. Okay, so as you can see here, all the stream branches of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, okay, CSC and IT only. That is MSc of if you are from MSc, CS, IT is only eligible. Other than that, BE, BTech, if you are from ME, MTech, if you are from MCA, you are from, then all the branches are eligible. Mechanical, civil, उसके बाद फिर electrical, electronics, computer science, IT, all the fields are eligible, so you can apply. And year of pass out, you have to be full time, 2022 batch, and full time your education should be have completed. No part time, no distance education is allowed, and MCA like MBA and PGDMs are not allowed. No backlog should you have, and 1 year gap is the maximum gap that is allowed. Other than that is not allowed. And what are the things allowed? And candidate should have, if you have rendered the Accenture selection process or application process in last 3 months, you cannot apply. It has been written here. Next thing, candidate should have not more than 11 months of experience. Should not have more than 11 months of experience. You should have all the documents and all for the Indian residents and all. ठीक है, you should be willing to work in a business unit services within the company. You will be willing to reallocate as per the company guidelines. मतलब it can be, see, it mostly you will get your preferred location, but it also depends if there is a business requirement that you have to work from Pune, so you have to reallocate at Pune. That is the major thing. ठीक है, mostly it will not happen. 99.99% it will not happen, but that 1% chance is there. Okay, next thing, for eligibility criteria, that only things are written, and what is the process about, everything they have mentioned the process, and I will also give you a study material just now. Don't need to worry about that thing. The process is assessment process. The assessment process, that is, you are eligible to receive, whenever you will apply, you will be eligible to receive the online assessment. Okay, the very first thing you have to apply, when you will apply, after the application you will receive the this assessment process. Uske baad the assessment is scheduled in 2 stages. there will be 2 stages and you must be completed with there will be given a schedule time, एक proper time दिया जाएगा, and in that time only you have to complete the assessment. That is important. उसके बाद फिर the mock test. Yeah, you can also give a mock test or practice assessment, and 20 minutes it will be given for the mock test, and mock test is mandatory for everyone to check that if you are giving from a system. Suppose I am giving from this laptop which I am shooting, so this laptop is suitable or not for the test. So that mock test will make sure of, that is important, that is mandatory. If you don't attend the mock test, that will be very difficult to attempt the main exam. That is very important. Take it as a mandation that mock test is mandatory. Then after this assessment will help you to get experience of the assessment, because this assessment, like after this assessment, you will be getting an idea that how the main assessment will look like, how we have to attempt the exams, how the UI will look, the interface, how it will be. So you will be getting an idea. Next thing, for assessment 1, the first stage will be cognitive or technical test. The technical test basically will consist of all the English ability, then problem solving, abstract reasoning, these kind of questions will be there. 50 questions you will be given and you have to solve that. Uske for technical assessment includes 40 questions. Technical assessment will be there. In that, common applications and MS Office questions will be there. Pseudo code is very important. If you are getting into Accenture, pseudo code is a very important part. Like if you are getting into Infosys, puzzles are there. Similarly, in this particular Accenture, there will be pseudo code. Next thing, fundamental and networking related questions will be there. Cloud related question will be there. Then cognitive technical skill will be notified into 5 to 10 minutes of completion. So you have to be seated and results will be like remain seated and await for the results. Like you have to coding test, like after this cognitive test there will be announcement of the cognitive test results. That is you will get your scores. After the score only you can attempt the coding question, because it will be a kind of a knockout round. It is written here only that it will be a knockout round. After that only you can give the cognitive coding test. After this there will be coding assessment. If you clear this cognitive test, there will be a coding assessment. There will be 2 questions. You will be given 45 minutes, 15 like 45 you can divide accordingly. You can switch between the 2 questions, depends on you, and it will be of C, C++, .NET, Java, Python, depends. Okay, next thing, after this there will be a communication round where everything, your communication will be tested, your vocabulary, your fluency in English, everything will be tested, and this communication round will be in English only. It will be of 30 minutes and you will be getting a separate mail for that, and you can apply from here. Next thing, interview. After that, if you clear this assessment, then your interviews started. That is, your interview will be there, technical interview followed by the HR interview. That is it. उसके बाद फिर यहाँ पे that is about if you want to get to know about the Accenture this profile, like software engineer preparation material. So you have to go to my website and you have to search for preparation material and resources of Accenture, or you will search for associate system in software engineer. You will get the profile, like you will get the things. Like here also it is written the same things. The online test will be there, then communication round will be there, and interviews will be there, technical and HR questions. Next thing, you can see here that this particular video is all about how to prepare for the test, how to give the test, and how to clear the test, and how to get the shortlisting. That is important. And here are the test. Here is the full material. You can use this particular material, free of cost material, and definitely if you follow this material, you can get shortlisted. There is a full video also on this particular video, like on this particular things. You can follow this video. I have explained everything in this particular video. Definitely you can clear the exam if you follow this video. Okay, and this is it about the associate software engineer role, and the package will be of 4.5 LPA as I have discussed. Next one is the system application services. In this, many batches are eligible, many degrees are eligible, and you can see on the screen that is the very first thing. The package is of 3.33 LPA and you will be getting Pan India, and the designation will be of System and Application Service Associate. The things are, the very first thing, the eligibility criteria. We can go in this also and see the eligibility criteria clearly. The very first thing, that is the eligibility criteria: BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, BMS, BS, BBS, uske BPS, Agriculture, then BF, BFM, उसके बाद BBI, B.Ed, BM, मतलब ढेर सारे degrees eligible. All the people not belonging to the B.Tech, these all people are only not eligible. You can read out this thing, who all people are not eligible. These are the people who are not eligible. That is B.Tech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, then MBA and PGDM are not eligible. So these people are not eligible. Other than this, all the people are eligible. You should be ready to give this exam if you are from these degrees. And 19, 20, 21, 22, these all degrees degrees, like these all pass outs are eligible, definitely you can apply for this. And the very first thing that is you should be willing to relocate to the office, and it can be like, if you get started, it can be work from home, work from office, depends on different situation, different teams, different projects also. ठीक है, that depends. उसके बाद you should not be having any active backlog. The maximum gap in the graduation, post graduation, or any like after 10th should be maximum 1 year. Other than that is not acceptable. ठीक है, and you should not have been appeared for the recruitment process of Accenture in last 3 months. So this was it, and about the process we will discuss. The very first thing that is you will apply for the job. After the application for this particular application, you will be getting a mock like after this you will be getting online test assessment, and you have to give a mock interview, mock test, basically mock assessment. That is important to test your system, as I have already told you in the associate software in general. The mock test will be consist of 10 minutes. It will be only 10 minutes, and 10 minutes you can decide that you can like your system is eligible for giving the test, or you can change the system also if it is not eligible. All the things should be meet out. Next thing, you will be getting a mail also that these are the things that your system should have. That is important. उसके बाद 50 minutes the cognitive test will be English, critical thinking and problem solving, then abstract reasoning. These are the things that you should have, you should be prepared of, and you should have been like reading of these all things. Then only you can clear this particular round. And after clearing this round, there is not any major round. That is, after this technical test will be there. That is totally optional, depends on you. If you want to get into technical side, then only you should give the test. Otherwise, like technical test assessment is not for elimination round. Technical test, matlab for this particular role, technical test is not that much important. It is optional, totally optional. It is written here, so no need to focus on this one. After that, there will be a communication side. Similarly, as a shared software and role, you can prepare from that materials also. Definitely two sections you can prepare from that materials. And major thing, ठीक है, that is only the thing. And fluency, your vocabulary, sentence mastering, like a sentence will be there, you have to read out that sentence, that will be recorded. So according to your fluency, according to how you read how you rephrase the things, that matters. From that basis only you will be given the scores, so that matters. And after that, interviews will be started. So for preparation, I have already gave you the materials. You can use those materials. For application, just click on this. If you have an account, just click on I have already have an account. Otherwise, if you don't have an account, click on this. And next, what you need to do, just click on I am not a robot, click on next. After that, you have to sign up karna padega. That is, you have to fill out all those things, and you have to wait, because it will take time. It will take so much of time, because you can also like campus se nahi, mere ko social media advertisement se pata chala, and it was YouTube, so I have clicked on that. And if you get like your first name I have filled out, then your last name is here. These all things you have to fill out. Like this is your middle name, then your last name is here. Whatever things like is listed, you have to fill out all the things. सारी चीजें आपको भरनी पड़ेंगे, because like यहाँ पे सारी चीजें अगर नहीं भरोगे तो प्रॉब्लम होगी, और you will not getting the shortlisting link, you will not getting the things. So you have to wait, because it will take some time, because there's so many people will fill out. Accenture is a biggest service based company, definitely, so you have to wait for that. ठीक है, and यहाँ पे ये सारी चीजें भर दी. That is whatever things I have filled out. उसके बाद फिर यहाँ पे नंबर अपना भर दिया. WhatsApp consent, no, I don't have WhatsApp consent. If you have a WhatsApp consent, that you should be notified by that, so you can choose out that. And from here you can choose out your your date of birth. I have chose out that. उसके बाद you have to your gender, whatever gender, your city. I belong to Gorakhpur, so I will choose out that. From here you can choose. There is a these all things are there. You have to wait like this. You have to search Uttar Pradesh first. Firstly, let's go to Uttar Pradesh, and from there only we can get our city, like this. Okay, so it is bit different. Otherwise, they will take separately only. Like here, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, I have selected. Then education type my one undergraduate. So I have to fill out those things. Whatever is my undergraduation, whatever details you are filling, you have to be sure of. And after this, you will be getting a mail and all that you have to wait, or assessment test you will be getting differently. You have to wait. So this was all about a video. I have posted many things on my like Desi Master website. Definitely you have to check out, and my materials are also there. Free of cost things are there. Definitely you have to check out. You have to wait, see everything, and then only you can apply. So free, of course, things are many, and on the website also many things are there. I have been posting many things on my YouTube channel also. Many interviews are there. Accenture interviews are also there. Definitely you can see and clear out these exams. So this was all about a video. You should also follow my vlog channel. Definitely I have been posting so many vlogs. Definitely those are great. Definitely you will see. As I am settled in Bangalore, I am a software engineer at Emphasis. I keep sharing my experience. It is about 1.7 years of experience. I have been in Bangalore, and I have been in IT. I have been in software engineering. I have been sharing many things on my vlog channel also, and मजेदार चीजें आती रहे. Definitely you can follow with that. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम, बाय बाय, ध्यान रखना.